Simon of Perfect Pools, and we are busy with a brand new swimming pool, one of the pools here in Blouberg, one of the school pools, and this is what we're dealing with. It's about 25, if I'm not mistaken, 25 meters by about 12 meters. I think half is Olympic size swimming pool. Should take us about a week. And yeah, we're doing it just before the school starts again. Until next time, follow the journey. Here's some before footage and some before video clips. Until next time, bye. Simon again here from Perfect Pools. Okay, so we are done. We're finished with the pool. Let's get a really nice revealing opening shot. That is the swimming pool. We're finished. We're done. I hope you followed the journey with us. But we are finished now. Took about 11 days in total. We had great weather. So yeah, if you really want to get your swimming pool done, don't hesitate. Give us a call. Click the link below. Remember, don't share your details on Facebook or social media. Click the link, we'll contact you to make sure that there's no scams. But from my side, until next time, I hope you call us when you need your pool done. But we're really proud of this one. From my side, until next time, see you and have a great day. Bye.